Hey there, Binge Buck with Buck Outdoor Stormwater Solutions. And most likely you've come by here because you're interested in stormwater solutions in your community. So another question that I get quite a bit is it possible for my landscaper to come in and take care of the detention pond in my community or on my property? The answer is no. Well, in some communities, the county or the city, the municipality will not allow that to happen. You have to be certified there's generally two different certifications that a stormwater professional can have. And a lot of times a municipality will require you to have that training before you can go in and work in a stormwater pond. The other thing is, if most counties don't have that requirement, and here's the issue. I would never go to my barber, who does a great job, for a guy who wears a hat all the time. She does a wonderful job, and she may be a great cook, but I would never go to her and ask her to cater my party and fix steak for a birthday party. Why? Because she's my barber. That's the type of services that she provides. And there's exceptions to the rule. You might be somebody is going to message me, my barber has a side gig where she caters. Okay, very good. Generally speaking, you don't have someone cross service. Landscapers make Mrs. Smith's yard look beautiful. You do not want me mowing your yard. I can do it, sure. I might even do a better job than somebody else. But that's not the service that I offer. I'm in the stormwater business. I don't go over and try to take care. The crew that I hire with the skill set that's needed in a stormwater pond. When a landscaper hires his crew, he hires for the skill set of making Mrs. Smith's grass look green and pretty, her flowers to look nice. Stormwater, we're more concerned about erosion and water flow. There's some connection there, but it's two different industries, two different services. Don't recommend it. They're not priced the same. The workforces are different. I've had a lot of landscapers call me and say, hey, we're thinking about starting to do stormwater ponds. What do you think? And I tell them, if you're going to do that, you're going to have to hire landscapers for the landscaping business and stormwater guys for the stormwater business. They can't be run by the same crews because it's a totally different mindset. Totally different type of tools used. The equipment that's used in the stormwater pond, you're going to have to use that equipment just for the stormwater pond and use it often. Mrs. Smith, who you're making her yard look pretty, she's not going to want you to bring that mower in that you just banged around in a stormwater pond on. Can I just have my landscaper do the stormwater pond? I would say the best answer is no. That's the short and simple answer.